I can't read any of it because I am an old people and I'm also blind in one eye. Oh, we have got very nice squeezy ony thing now, haven't we? Okay, so obviously the back end here we'll do last. So what are you actually looking at? Because the viewfinder's gone off again, so I don't know what you're actually looking at, but I'm going to do this. I'm just gonna do a test splash a minute. Right, here we go. Don't gop this on like there's no tomorrow, because it'll just bleed everywhere. I can't see it. I'm going to have to get my head right in there, which means you won't be able to see anything but the back of my head. So see you in a minute. Actually, I'm going to come right back now and say I forgot. I need to put that in. Flat blade. Which one's the flat blade? I can't bloody see. There he is. Right. Oops. Which is the locking end? I don't know. There's a triangle there. No, it's got a flat edge there, and oops, it's got locking teeth there. That's on the floor. Right. It did go like that. Right, that snaps in. That isn't what I want. I want a tiny screwdriver. Let's just get that back in the hole. Basically, you don't need to torque that up to stupid o'clock. Right, now I'm going to finish putting the glue on in a bit. So I kind of I got the glue on by just holding the screen. Right, we'll take that off, and then we'll lay the bottom edge into the phone and just lower it down onto the phone. So you want a nice seal of silicone around there, but you don't want it gopping on. And then I would imagine the sticky bit in the middle will do its own sticking. So that seems to be it. What did I forget? Nothing. Let's just see if it still works. Appears to be working. Chat amongst yourselves while this thing just powers up. So anyway, in hindsight, while this thing's powering up, basically nearly all your work is involved in carefully lifting off the old junk, including all the shrapnel produced by the LCD crystal thing, which was that. All your work is basically in getting that lot off. I could do with I should have bought myself a screen protector as well, but I didn't, so never mind. Right, okay, so this thing's on. The screen's a slightly different colour. That could be some adjustment or something. Basically, is that right? I don't know. I don't math. But anyway, yeah, it seems to be working. So, this was quite a long video. Yep, right. So this is quite a long video, but the idea behind it was to show you exactly what is involved in somebody doing this that has never done it before. By the way, this yeah, right, it's getting messages. This little ploppy thing here, I've got a feeling, is to just stick on the screen so you can lift the screen on, but it's not really needed. So there we go, people. How to replace your screen for basically just the price of the screen. Now, what you could do now is just leave this to set and put a few elastic bands around it, which, hang on, bear with me. Ta-da. She has a nest of elastic bands, as they come on every single food carton. And end up in turtles' stomachs. Those poor turtles. Whoops! Right, and the final one, screen protector, which obviously we'll just take that off later. So, now that I've done this one, now that I've been 2 years with this phone with a broken screen, now that I can't even see to get that goo off the end of there, I've got the tablet, like I said, like I didn't say, but I'm going to say now, my tablet screen is on order from China. As soon as the tablet screen gets here, I'll be doing a Galaxy Tab A. So if you fancy sticking around to watch that one, I'll make it a lot shorter, and I'll see you later on. Cheerio now.